This thing right here is a hit. Let me tell you something. I made some extended feet for it, but it's dark in here for a reason. I have not opened any blinds. It's just after sunrise because it's supposed to snow all day. So let's see if it's true. This is also a hit, this blind thing. Okay, let's find out. Well, I see it on the ground. Well, it's supposed to snow for another like 12 hours. I don't think that's the fact though. Let's open the front door. See if well, it snowed quite a bit. I don't see it snowing currently. Oh, I guess it's blowing around out there. There's my little handrail start. Okay, well, it snowed. Easier to see over here. Ooh, blowing off something. You can see it blowing across there. That's powdery stuff they said it was going to be. That's kind of rare around here. We get the wet, heavy junk. Yeah, it's snowing pretty good. Look at the pond. Yeah, it's all covered up. Well, yeah, that's a good sight there. Okay. You can see how dark the sky is. Oh, blowing off the barn. That's kind of cool. Huh. Well, less chance of a power outage with all that going on. I keep thinking as expensive as this camera was, you'd think it would make all that noise when you tightened up on something. Give it the old Archie Bell. That's pretty big flakes out there. Well, it's just after 9 o'clock and Waikiki Bugs Bunny came on. That was pretty good. So, what a contrast, the black crows, the white snow. They've been walking across the pond and everything. Don't think they're going to get a drink today. It's low 20s. Yeah, there he goes. What kind of nuts are out there? There's plenty of them though. They've been going by all morning. It is like a blizzard here. It is almost 1 o'clock. God, what a crazy guy. It's gone up to a blistering 21 degrees. And so like I just told Mick, I may have to put 2 shirts on when I go to the barn. So we're going down. I'm going to get the tractor out. And as you can tell, it's stacking up out there. The pond is all but gone. My guess would be 6-7 inches of snow. And it's supposed to snow until midnight. Just look at that. So, really something. Let's walk around back. But I'll be heading down and doing some woodworking here in a minute. I'll show you that. There's a crow out there. It's hard to feed the crows because the peanuts just fall into the snow. So there's my back screened in porch covered with snow. So I'm going to have to get my motorcycle boots on and carry some shoes down and take the DeWalt saw with me and see what's going on. So if you wonder what I do, I keep a pot of water sort of simmering on the stove this time of year. It makes it moist and nice. I don't have a humidifier. So that's about it. Good golly. It's whiteout conditions. So we'll go down there and measure. I'll take the tractor out. We'll go right around a little bit. How about that? Okay, I'm at the front of the barn here. There's the lift and Daphne, and there's the TR4. That won't be going out today. So I'm going to raise this, and we're going to see what it looks like out there. And then we're going to jump on the tractor and go around. So, ready? As far as we're going. Okay, so here's the front. Okay, and there's how much we got right there. Let's go to the back, and we'll get our tape measure and measure how deep it is. Oh, look where it blew in right there. Okay, well, let's put you on the back of the Healy and open this back door. See what it's like. All right. Blow in right here. So I'm just going to let that right there. Cold with no gloves on. Whoa, good golly. Well, there's my oil burning stove of the future. Not today. Okay, well, let's hop on the tractor, put her in 4-wheel drive, and ride around some. Okay, let's see how deep it is. We'll go out here to the, I can barely see the bridge. So it's just after 1 o'clock. So it is almost 4.5 inches. Okay. I got the tractor all set. I'm gonna go get my hand warmers. Wish I'd have thought to bring them down because I ain't got no water down here now. Okay. Okay. Let's go out there and ride around some. Let's do some woodworking, but might not have ever seen this before. Frozen Dawn and frozen hair gel. Look at that! You can see the crystallization of that. That's pretty cool. Okay, let's do some woodworking and have some fun. I just got to do something today. I just can't sit up there. I'm just not one of them kind of. Sitting up there kind of fellas. I can't open this much though because it just blows right in. So there's my other shoes. Let me find something to sit on. Got something right here. I need something lower than that. I'll use this. Okay. What is that? I don't know. Okay, we're not gonna do much down here, but we're gonna do something. Chirp chirp. Bird got in here, dadgummit. So I'm gonna make cut some cuts and make some frame squares and stuff like that. So 241s with 10-inch laps, 1 inch deep, 10 inches tall, and 131-inch piece. That's gonna be an upper piece on the deck proper. So I gotta get the router table going, and I'm gonna collect all 4x4 scraps. So in case I can use them when I get going. But we're going to cut these today. So might as well just put this over here. Kind of feel a little bit claustrophobic because of not being able to open the doors. But that's okay. I just got to do something. Okay, using my speed square, I've got my 241-inch pieces cut. And I just use this to kind of, go down the line, like you do to get your 1 inch. So I got 10 inches, 1 inch deep for the lap cut. So let's set our saw for 1 inch deep. I always try to give you some kind of action shot, so I'm set to 1 inch here on that blade. You can just mark it on the board and then pull that up. So, all right. So here we go. Never ever use a circular saw with one hand. Just because you see me do it, don't make it right. Crazy bird. I wish I hadn't come in here. I can't leave the doors open all night. I just can't. I hope he gets out. Okay, let's just give that a little bit of a touch, and then we'll move this over here. That's kind of bad right there. That's okay. Let's just see if we can get her to go here. I should be staying. Make sure we're staying. Okay. All right, I'm gonna need both hands here. There's just no doubt about it. Okay, timber. Okay, boy, that was ugly. At least it's a lap joint, and that's why they make Gorilla Glue. So, could have been worse. I don't know how. I guess I need to just do this last one and stop because it's just too cold. I think it's 19 degrees in here. Alright, I'll take my notes back up with me. I got to do a bunch of precision cuts to make like a surround, you know, up there. Ooh, boy, that's really bad. I think I'm going to run the circular saw on that a little bit and knock. Yeah, that ain't no good there. We're going to have to kind of trim that up. Alright, we're going to finish up here. Okay, that one's a little better. So, that one's a lot better. All right, let's. Oh, there it goes. Okay. Let's get the tractor back in here. Maybe if I open this door up all the way, that bird will get out. So there they are. I did something today anyhow. So I got 3 pieces cut with 2 lap joints. Good enough for me. Okay, it's 3 o'clock. My guess is it's about 8 inches right now. Snow, that is. Okay, get my big motorcycle gloves on. Those are some good ones there. Okay, let's get her parked. don't know if the bird got out or not. He's not over there. He was flailing around over here a little bit, but maybe he got out. Let's hope he does. Let's give him a prayer. Give us a thumbs up, and we'll do something. We'll do something later. It won't be later today. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Bonus footage. You better come out and clean up your, you got a heat pump, you better come out and clean up around that thing. That was kind of a mess. Starting to block it. So build yourself a wall here like I did. So yeah, this wall is really saving the day, keeping the snow off everything. Let's see what's back here. Let's knock that off back there too. Okay, just a word to the wise there. Another word to the wise is go in. All right, thanks again. Bye-bye.